In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Xcloud crashing and freezing. If you're experiencing these problems while using Xcloud, there are many ways to fix it. So the first thing you can do is check the minimum requirement to run Xcloud. The minimum requirement as recommended by Microsoft is 5 GHz Wi-Fi or mobile data with speeds of 20 megabits per second or higher. You will also need an iPhone or iPad that is on iOS 14.4 or higher. The next thing you can do is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches, so turn off your device completely and then turn it back on after a few seconds. This can help refresh the system and clear any issues that may be causing Xcloud to crash or freeze. Another thing you should do is disable any battery optimization settings. Since I am on iPhone, I would need to disable low power mode as that can hinder the performance of the game and cause freezing and crashing issues. To turn off low power mode, all you need to do is just go to Control Center and just click on this button right over here, the battery icon, and low power mode is disabled. The last thing you can do is to first close Xcloud out of the app switcher, so kill it over here, then go into settings, go to Safari, scroll all the way down until you see advanced, click on experimental features right over here, and then you're just gonna scroll down all the way until you see GPU, which should be right above here, and until you see GPU process WebGL. And this should be on by default, so what you're gonna do is turn it off, and then you're just gonna go back to home screen, click on Xcloud Gaming, and then try running your game, and it should work from here. Anyways, I hope this video did help. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.